Nagre-record.
Siguro hindi pa siya nakapag-pass pa rin. Siguro hopefully. At least dito, diba? Kasi syempre mas mahal ang services, ang all services and labor sa ibang. Because she'll like it.
Ang isang Smarty package nagkakahalaga ng 12,000 pesos hanggang 35,000 pesos. Depende sa dami ng bisita.
We prepare foods and games para
original.
makapaglaro sila and makapaglaro sila kasi we dedicate the whole facility just for them. They don't be too conscious of the noise they'll be making. Tapos afterwards, we give them the spa treat that they deserve.
Ilang minuto pa.
Hindi na na-record ng maayos, Leche!
Tapos ng oras na para
Kaninong likod? No!
Ikaw na nasa TV!
Si Jack! Wow! Ang mga paa!
daw lahat ng pagod nila.
It is a very great experience, very nice experience. Kasi I never thought that my friends will surprise me with this spa party.